there, Dougie. You gotta unleash some punches. Come on, Dougie. Careful. Come on, throw those punches.
And knock me over.
You gotta knock him down. You almost got him, Dougie. Dougie, come on. Use both hands. Not at the same time. Go. Dougie, come on, Dougie.
Real fast, real fast.
Hey! You knocked him down again. Oh, he got up.
Oh no.
As fast as you
This is
can.
going to be a really long video.
Come on, Dougie, fast.
But watch the TV. Your feet don't matter.
Come on.
Did you win?
Who won?
Me.
You won.
Dougie. You won. Say yay. High five.
Okay, all done.
Can you high five Daddy?